Welcome to Annectens. We are so excited and delighted to have you here. So today we are going to introduce our couple of courses which are running in Academy right now. So just to give a glimpse of it, we are sharing this information. So currently we are running SCCM batch which has already launched on 18th of January. This course is launched with effect and a special discount of Republic. And earlier this course was announced at 14,999 rupees, which discounted at 8,999 rupees. So this course is available and it's currently fresh batch. So if you want to avail this, you can enroll in this. Currently, if you're paying in one shot the amount, there will be additional 1,000 discount. Also, if you want to pay this in a 3 installment, that is easier. So by paying 3,000, 3,000 and 3,000, you can also avail this SCCM batch. And the timing of this batch is every weekend at 3 p.m. IST. Okay, so this batch is available at 3 p.m. IST, and you can book your slots, and you can also take the last class revision as well. Another batch is of Microsoft Masterclass. So just to add up here, this course is of 18 hours. Okay, and this course is Microsoft Intune, which was launched and which is currently running. So this course is something which is there, and we have offered and launched it at 35,000 rupees, but we have now discounted it to 14,999 rupees, which is also available at 3 easy installments. If you are willing to pay this amount in a full shot, so you need to only pay 13,000 rupees. And if you're not able to make it, we can also give you flexible payment options where you can make it 3 easy installments. And this is also a weekend batch. So in this weekend batch, we are giving you option to avail this like every weekend. It's at 10 a.m. IST, and this course is also a 100 hours plus course. Okay, so in this course we are giving you an idea of Intune from basics to an architect level. It's gonna be a complete revamp of your career, complete revamp of your journey. So you can certainly take the best out of it, and you can take your career to the next level. You can elevate it. Okay, so if you want to enroll in any of the courses, you can definitely reach out to the numbers, and also you can do a WhatsApp on this number. Okay, let's move on to the next course. So currently we are going to launch our new course, which is on Microsoft Azure, and this is gonna be again an 80 hours course. Okay, so this course we are launching. This course was decided and designed in a way that we thought of putting a price of 45,000 rupees earlier, but now after revisiting all the pricing and modules and understanding about the job seekers, career opportunists, so we thought of giving a slash discount of 53% off on this. So we are offering this at 21,000 rupees right now, and this course was meant for Annectens. The price was meant for Annectens students only who are already enrolled in this batch, but we are open to announce this for public, and anyone who willing to join this course can definitely take benefit out of it. So one of the major benefit of it, like this is a 80 hours course, and this is every weekend. Okay, and we are considering to putting a time, so we are thinking to make it at 12 p.m. Because the earlier batch we are going to shift in another timing. So 12 p.m. we have a slot available where we can offer this batch as a new batch. We can take it up. The best part is with this batch we are announcing you can enroll this by paying only 1000 rupees, and the remaining fees you can easily make in a 4 installment. So this is the flexibility we have given, and we thought we should give a more slash discount in that. So that is how we designed this course, and we want everyone to avail the loyalty benefit as well. So if you have any referral, if you want to take your friends or your colleagues in this course and you want to get some referral bonus out of it, definitely you are certainly entitled to get that. So whenever you have referral, you can directly reach out to the below number, and team will certainly evaluate and give you the loyalty bonus accordingly. Another key advantage of joining Annectens is that we are like time to time we are coming up with interview questions. So this time we are also coming with interview into an architect question. In that, we are covering from the basics to architect level question and all sort of doubts that you have for device management, or how does the Windows pilot questions comes, and what could be the scenario, what is the as you know change management. All sort of questions are covered in this Intune architect interview question. So you can certainly take this is free, and we are shortly going to announce this. So you can reach out to this number and you can get information about it when this gonna be. This is publicly available on Annectens Academy YouTube channel, so you can also take a benefit out of it. And one more thing of last key part of it, what is the benefit of joining Annectens? So first of all, the benefit is you will be getting a lifetime free revision classes. So any Intune class, any SCCM class, any Azure class which is going to be launched, or any upcoming classes which are coming, and if you have already enrolled in that, you can do a multiple revisions, like multiple classes you can avail with this lifetime. We are giving you expert led of training. So I'm being a trainer, I'm currently working as a cloud architect and EUC architect, so I am well known about the situation enterprises, and it's been like 15 years of experience in this industry. So I know in and out everything about what questions. I'm also part of interview panels. It's been like 8 years now. So I know what type of questions do they seek, what persona do interviewers look at, what confidence level does it take, and all sort of help I can do. There will be important documentation plus SOP for all the slides and for all the topics which are going to cover, that will be given to you, and we will be giving you the lifetime recording access. So no one is giving you this free recording access. So whatever we are uh, doing in the lab, whatever we are doing demo, whatever you are doing theory, it's all recorded and it's all available lifetime for you. We are also helping you with interview preparation, which is very key part of this Annectens Academy. We are also giving you a lifetime community access. So there are thousands of people who are there to help you out with your issues or concerns. There are latest job postings which are keep on happening, so you are also you will be updated with the latest posting. You can apply from there. There is a certificate assistance also. So if any vendor you feel that I should go with certification, maybe you're looking for Salesforce, you're looking for Microsoft, you're looking for AWS, Google, or PMP, whatever certification that you can think in your mind, we are there to assist you with that. There will be marginal charge or fees for that we will, that differs from exam to exam, so we'll help you out during your examination setup. Also, we are there to help you out with your resume free proofreading. So if you have any resume that you want us to review and give you the right answer like corrections, we can also help you in that. Also, there is a free sample resume which is available, and that has given to Annectens students. So you will also, once you are part of this academy, you will also be given that sample resume, and accordingly you can make the amendments. And one of the unique feature of this academy is lifetime production issues assistance. So any live environment production issues, if you've come across and you want us to help you out in that, you can share that with us. You can share the screenshot directly, and we will be there to help you out. So it's all like a family. and we all are together to help you in elevating your career, right? So just to update here, we have students across the globe. We have people or students from Netherlands, we have people from Qatar, Germany, India, Oman, Dubai, London. So all, we work as a family, and all these students coming from a different time zone, we are there to cater and help you out. And one of the biggest advantage of it, that you will never be tensed about anywhere about your fees or installments, because it's all flexible. So we understand the situation. There are freshers, there are people who are actually not able to make the payments, they are jobless, so we are there to help. And these classes are meant to available only at weekend classes. So we want, and we know that everyone is at professional level, you are working somewhere, so you don't have that much bandwidth to attend it on weekdays. And the first class, which is Microsoft Intune Masterclass, which is running on 10 a.m. IST, so you can definitely take this. So 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. So all these courses are designed in 2 hours of schedule, so you can take advantage of this, and 2 hours you can give for your career and take the advantage of it. Okay, if you have any questions, any doubt, if you want to do the enrollment, you can visit to this number, which is 9819177797. You can do a WhatsApp on this number. You can also drop an email to annectens.academy@gmail.com, or if you want to visit, you can visit our website, which is annectens.odoo.com. So this is all for today, and we want to share this knowledge across. We are connecting people, so we want people to learn and earn more, so they can take a jump in their career, they can take it to the next level. So thank you so much. Signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye.